Hey guys, welcome to Airplane. Today we are flying from Westchester County Airport to West Palm Beach Airport on Jetblue's old A320 interior. Today's route will take us up New York and we'll fly over the states of New Jersey, Delaware, Virginia, North Carolina, then we will cross over the ocean and land in Palm Beach. Getting to the airport is pretty easy. It's time for a seat tour. There's a small in-flight entertainment screen. Below that is a tray table that isn't very sturdy and is leaning to the side. There's a large seat back pocket that contains a safety card. I forgot to mention that JetBlue's old A320 interior has the most legroom out of any basic economy in the US. The armrest contains the remote for the screen and a seat recline button. The seat recline is good. The seat is padded and very comfortable. It's time to get going and push back. Due to it being a short runway, we took off like a rocket. JetBlue started doing limited drink and snack service. The flight attendants were nice and gave everyone 2 snacks. I also got a ginger ale. The lavatory contains the standard items you would find in an A320. It's time for an IFE tour. JetBlue has live TV with 36 channels and lots of music with Sirius XM. Let's get into the descent and land. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Sorry I've been posting a while. I just haven't had good Wi-Fi.